Well, hello juniors, class of 2015. Well, my name is Brandon Spencer, and I have the pleasure of being your residential life coordinator for the upper class area. I want to welcome you to another edition of our class newsletters. With that stated, it is and has been a great semester thus far. Continue to make this semester great. I would like to also echo the words of our class marshal and alumni sponsor to take this opportunity as we go into spring break to take care of yourself. Make sure you're sleeping, make sure you're eating well, and make sure you're setting yourself for academic success. It's a great opportunity to begin the process of internships for the summer. Great opportunity for you to focus on getting that practical experiences that you would need to enhance your resume. As always, feel free to reach out to different resources on campus, residential life office, career services, etc. So without further ado, I am Brandon Spencer, your residential life coordinator for the upper class area. Please feel free to contact me with any questions or concerns regarding the upper class area. Thank you.